How to delete YouTube Shorts on phone. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you how you will be able to delete your YouTube Shorts that you have uploaded on your channel. So first things first, click on your library over here on the bottom right. Click on your profile and click on your channel. By doing that, you will be able to view your own channel that you have over here. After that, click on Manage Videos. And as you can see here, you will be able to see your videos that are actually shorts. So simply click on the three dots and you will be able to delete it by clicking on delete. And as you can see here, I have a pop-up that says delete this video. And by clicking on delete, there we go. We have successfully deleted it from our uploads. So now if we view our channel over here, as you can see, it is no longer part of our YouTube Shorts that we used to have just like earlier in the video. So this is basically the only short that we have right now. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.